Okay, for the following problems here, here's the solutions here. Okay, as part of a city building refurbishment uh, project, architects have constructed a scale model of several city buildings to present to the city commission for approval. The scale of the model is 1 inch equals 9 feet. Okay, so everything is based on that initial scale, 1 inch equals 9 feet. So when we look at problem one, the courthouse is the tallest building in the city. If it is 7.5 inches tall in the model, how tall is the actual building? So again, if we go to our first slide here, our next slide here, and look at it, there we go. We see that we have 1 inch equals 9 feet. And we know that in the model, the building is 7.5 inches tall. Well, we got to figure out what the equivalent would be. So if 1 inch is 7.5 inches, then 1 times 7.5 equals 7.5 inches. So if we multiply the top times 7.5, we're going to multiply the bottom times 7.5. Now for this one, the most common mistake was people going 7 times 9 equals 63 and then saying 0.5. Some of you need to review your multiplication techniques there because that decimal has a value. And so that's why some of you were 4.5 short, because 9 times a half is going to be 4.5, right? So 4.5 to 63 would give you 67.5. Or if you just multiplied correctly the first time, 9 times 5, 45. Put down the 5, carry the 4. 9 times 7, 63, plus 4, 67. So again, multiplication. Get in trouble? Use precious. All right, let's look at the next one. Okay, for 3. All right, changing around a little bit. We want to find the inches here. So 1 times something equals an X number of inches. Well, we know that 9 feet equals the flagpole height of 45 feet. So how do we get to 45? Well, 45 divided by 9 is 5. So 9 times 5 is 45. So if we're multiplying the bottom times 5, we're going to multiply the top times 5. So 1 times 5 is 5. So 5 inches is 45 feet. Go to our third one, right? All right. Again, everything starts with a scale. 1 inch equals 9 feet. We're talking about the distance between the two flagpoles here, right? And we're saying it's 4 inches on the model. Well, 1 times 4 equals 4 inches. Well, if we're multiplying the top times 4, we're going to multiply the bottom times 4. So 9 times 4 is 36 feet. So again, there's a pattern here, right? That we can use if we have organized skills for how we're doing this, right? Again, notice how everything is starting with that scale. 1 inch equals 9 feet. Well, here we get the final dimensions here, right? 1 inch equals 9 inches. So 1 times 9 is 9. So guess what? 9 times 9, 81 feet. So there's one of the dimensions. Okay, 1 inch equals 17 inches. Well, we're going to multiply 1 times 17 to get that 17 inches, right? So we have to multiply the 9 times 17. 9 times 10 is 90. 9 times 7 is 63. 63 plus 90, 153 feet. Again, breaking it down. So our final answer, 81 feet by 153 feet. All right, here was your solutions to those problems. Good luck.